we're here with Dave Wagman of Hometown Restyling talking about windows.
That's right, and we're focused on the Restorations window out of the Sunrise collection, which is specifically designed for homeowners to have all the functionality and aesthetics and all the options.
Well, I think you mentioned some of the things, but why do people love this window?
Yeah, one of the big things is just glass and vision. People want to see out of their windows, they want light in. It's 27% more glass than the average competing product.
Is it durable? Is there a warranty?
Absolutely, it's actually reinforced with FiberCore technology, insulated with UltraCore technology, backed with a lifetime warranty, including glass breakage.
Who's going to install it?
Absolutely. Our employee owners that are specifically trained to install windows specifically will be tackling the project.
And how customizable is it? So
many options, different colors and designs, styles and operations, all kinds of different installation methods.
How can people get a hold of you?
We're at hometownrestyling.com or 1205 North Center Point Road.